When it comes to woodworking and DIY projects, achieving perfect 90-degree angles is essential for ensuring the strength and stability of your work. If you are building cabinets, assembling frames, or working on custom furniture, having a reliable corner clamp can make all the difference. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we will explore the best corner clamps on the market, highlighting top products that offer durability, precision, and ease of use. So let's start. Number 1. WETOLS WE404 Corner Clamp. The WETOLS WE404 Corner Clamp is a versatile tool designed for small woodworking projects, making it ideal for tasks such as aligning, nailing, and screwing at 90-degree angles. Made from durable polyamide material, this clamp ensures accurate and secure positioning, perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. With its lightweight design and strong spring tension, it allows for easy, one-handed operation. Key features: ideal for tasks like cabinet making and picture framing. Accommodates boards 3 by 16 inch to 3 by 4 inch thick for 90-degree corners. Made from premium polyamide for long-lasting use. Keeps boards securely in place. Lightweight and easy to use. Number 2. Diylog Corner Clamp. The Diylog Corner Clamp is a precision tool made from high-quality aluminum alloy, designed to ensure perfect 90-degree angles for your woodworking projects. With its durable, red anodized surface, this clamp is both rust-resistant and corrosion-resistant, making it a reliable choice for tasks like gluing, splicing, and welding. Ideal for assembling frames, cabinets, and more. It is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional woodworker. Key features: ensures accurate 90-degree angles. Made from CNC processed aluminum alloy with a red anodized finish, suitable for clamping wood, countertops, and saw blades. Clamps boards up to 3.5 inch thick with simple screw adjustments. Perfect for DIY hobbyists and woodworkers. Number 3. CASIMR Corner Clamp. The CASIMR Corner Clamp is a versatile tool designed for precision in small woodworking projects. Perfect for tasks like building wooden boxes and picture frames. It fits boards with a thickness of 3 by 16 inch to 3 by 4 inch for 90-degree corners and T-joints, and can even handle boards of different thicknesses. With high spring tension and single-handed operation, this clamp ensures efficiency and ease of use. Key features: fits boards 3 by 16 inch to 3 by 4 inch thick, including different thicknesses. High tension keeps boards securely in place. Easy to use with one hand. Comes in a 4-pack for setting entire sides of a project at once. Ideal for small woodworking projects like frames and boxes. Number 4. IRWIN 226200 Corner Clamp. The IRWIN 226200 Corner Clamp is a reliable and durable tool, perfect for smaller projects like picture frames. It features a composite metal body and steel screws for long-lasting use, while the nylon rounds help prevent damage to your workpieces. This clamp is designed for precision and ease, making it a great choice for detailed woodworking tasks. Key features: composite metal body with steel screws. Protect workpieces from damage. Perfect for picture frames and similar tasks. Provides a strong hold to ensure accurate alignment. Number 5. WenCrew Corner Clamp. The WenCrew Corner Clamp is a professional-grade tool designed for precision and ease in woodworking projects. With an upgraded plus-size design, it provides a better grip on both small and large materials, making it perfect for assembling cabinets, boxes, and frames. Made from durable anodized aluminum, this clamp ensures accurate positioning and long-lasting performance. Key features: larger clamps and square design for better grip. Ideal for wood board jointing, gluing, and welding. Suitable for assembling furniture, frames, and cabinets. Made from anodized aluminum for durability and precision. Quickly flattens and fixes materials without damaging edges. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this guide has helped you find the best corner clamps to suit your projects. If you are assembling cabinets, building picture frames, or tackling larger projects, the right corner clamp can make all the difference in achieving perfect 90-degree angles with ease. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips on the best tools and equipment.